The gallery. Hey there Vidtooners. I hope you are enjoying this training. Here we come with more useful instructions for you to get the most out of Vidtoon. In this video, we will show you how to use the gallery, so let's get you started right away. The gallery is a very simple feature to use. With the gallery you will be able to upload and manage all types of PNG, JPG, and even GIF images, and use them in your project. You can upload new backgrounds. You can upload logos. You can upload animated images. You can upload photos. You can upload product covers. The sky is the limit. If you want to use these elements in your project, you simply have to drag it and drop it into the images track, just like you do with backgrounds. And as you notice, you can add images on top of other images too. So there are 3 very important tips you need to be aware of from now on with Vidtoon by using images. The first tip is that in order to edit a specific image in settings, you will need to click several times until the one you want to edit is highlighted in red, then you can click in settings and add more effects to the image selected. The second tip is that these images you upload to the gallery will stay there as long as you save your project. If you close your project without saving, you will lose them. And that's about it with the gallery guys, so continue now with the following video which will show you how to use characters. See you there.